Today I'm doing kind of a guide how to leverage the amazing power of PyAutoGUI. Now, how I do it is I open the web page I want to automate and perform the task using the keyboard only, so I can see what commands I need to put into the script to replicate it for me. So initially, I just use the tab key to figure out where the focus goes. So let's do that. Okay, first of all, it went to the back button. Okay, second press gets me to the logo. Third press, the logout button, and when I click the fourth time, it takes me to the item code, which now I'm going to populate. Okay, great. Next tab gets me to analysis B. Very good. I'm gonna populate that. Another tab gets me to item description. Very good. I'm gonna just put in random stuff. Okay, I'm gonna press the tab button again and item category. Now, to select an item category, I'm gonna use the keyboard arrow down key. So I'm gonna press it once, twice, third time. Okay, let's keep it as underwear for entertainment purposes. I'm gonna press the tab key again to go to type, and now the down arrow key, and 3 times, 4 times raw material. Why not? So now let me try and figure out how to get this in with a script. And obviously I got something ready for you. It's super simple and straightforward. This imports the time library, so I can use the sleep function, which is kind of required, because if I don't have this, when I run the script, it will start doing all the steps I program it to do, but it has to be done on the actual web page rather than in some random file, which it will just be total chaos. So it's there for a reason, and you'll see why in a moment. The PyAutoGUI pause, it's how much time does it pause, a delay between every action, and I've set it to 0.2 seconds, which I find to be a little sweet spot. And this one is apparently drawn to documentation, so it keeps the script running even if I escape the window of the script. Yeah, cool, I can live with that. So the press function, as you can tell, presses the button, and as you already seen, I need 4 tabs to get to the item code input. So what I'm going to do, G050D, that's what we want it to enter in the item code input field. In an interval here means that each character will have a delay between another, which is 0.04 seconds, which I also found to be a sweet spot. In my testing, if you just ignore this parameter altogether, sometimes it doesn't kind of write it in the right order. So instead of G050D, it could be G500D, which obviously is something I don't want. So after we write the product code, the item code, we're gonna be writing the analysis B now, which will be this. Obviously another tab where we'll be now populating the description, and where I'm going to random stuff. Okay, and also it needs to go, after it populates the random stuff in the item description, I need to go to item category. So remember when I told you that you need to use the down arrow? So there is a code for it, and that's down. I believe it was 3 times to get to underwear. Why not? And 4 times to get to raw material. And this sleep is just after you finish the iteration, you add the product code in, well, the entire product in, then it'll restart and get a new product to be set up. Okay, so without further babbling, I'm gonna just close that off, save it, and start the script. Let's see what happens. Perfect. The script has finished, and the results are exactly what we wanted it to be. So yeah, there is a, well, this is a little and a quick quote unquote guide how to figure out the steps to map your web page for data input, so it can be automated by PyAutoGUI. I think this is really good for certain tasks. I will be doing a little demo how to actually create the script with a different script, so we can import an Excel sheet with, let's say, 400 rows, so it can do create this file for you, because otherwise it becomes pointless. If you have to create this by hand, then you might as well input this by hand. But yeah, that'll be in the next one. Thanks for watching. That's it. Cheers.